Hello, I'm Julia Nagy from HMMH. Thanks for tuning in to our webinar to celebrate Earth Day. Today I'll be walking you through how to make a sustainable craft, and we're going to make binoculars today. So let me go around and show you what you're going to need to bring in order to do the craft. So we're going to need 2 toilet paper rolls. We're going to need some sort of string or old ribbon that you find around your house. You'll need a pair of scissors. You'll need some tape. You'll need a stapler, and then some decorating materials. You could use some paint, you could use some markers or pens or crayons, or you could use some stickers. And so that's all you'll need for today, and we'll get started. So first, we're going to take the 2 toilet paper rolls. You're going to put them right next to each other like this, and then you're going to use your stapler and just do 1 staple on each side to hold the 2 rolls together, okay? So you're going to do 1 staple on that side, and then you're going to do 1 staple on that side. And so then now they're together. So you have your 2 binoculars. And then you want to make sure the string is big enough to wrap around your neck. So measure it out. So my string is long enough, so I don't need to cut it. But if you need to cut it, that's what the scissors are for. So if your string is long enough, then all you need to do is take some tape, a little bit of tape, and put it onto the one side of the string. And then you're just going to tape the tape right onto the inside of your 1 binocular so that it holds up like that, see? And then we're going to take the other side of the string, put a little bit of tape on that side, and then we're going to tape that side to the inside of the other binocular, right on the other side at the top. So then you have your binoculars on a string, and that fits around your neck. And then the fun part, we get to decorate. So I have a few stickers. I'm going to put a few stickers on, and then I'm going to do a few flowers with paint. So this is a horse sticker, which is fun. I'm going to put my horse on one side. I'm going to have a little horse. So I'm going to put a little horse on the other side. So this is Earth Day, so you can put any sort of animals you want, or you can draw some flowers on there. You could draw some trees, or maybe some frogs or bugs. Whatever you like the best. So I'm going to do some flowers on mine, and I'm just using I'm reusing this old envelope, and that way I don't have to use a new piece of paper to waste it. So trying to be sustainable and reuse. So here's some paint, and let me show you how to make some easy flowers, okay? So all you need to do for a little flower is to do 5 petals. And so you can do 1, 2, 3. You can count how many petals it has, so that's 4 petals. And then 5 petals. So see how it looks like a flower now? So all you need to do is just 5 petals. And so I'll do another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 5 petals on that one. I'm gonna do 5 petals on this flower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You might need to let them dry for a few minutes, but I'm going to just keep going on mine. But you might want to let yours take some time to dry if you're using paint. You can also use markers if you want it to dry faster. Okay, so now I have some flowers on there. See my flowers? But I also want to do some leaves to go with the flowers. So I'm going to use some green. Should have had 2. You should probably have 2 paintbrushes. Let me actually grab an extra paintbrush. I had extra paintbrushes behind the camera. Look at me. So if you take your green, you can do some leaves by just doing like this. And just kind of make some leaves however you want, just some, Okay, welcome back. So I took some time to let the paint dry, and I also added some other flowers that are different colors. So you can see I added some pink flowers, I added some orange flowers around the horses, I added some blue flowers. You can put in some polka dots around and kind of make it fun. On the other side, I put some stripes on and some polka dots because that's an easy way to fill up the back side of the binoculars. And so then you'll have your finished product, however you want to decorate it. And then you can put it around your head like this, and you have your string attached. get it around there, and now you can go around and go out in your neighborhood and find some birds to watch. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.